Today we're going to see if there's a huge difference between Rustoleum and POR-15. Both paints require you to knock the loose rust off and clean the surface, so we'll do that first. POR-15 is direct to metal, and so is Rustoleum, but Rustoleum suggests using their rusty metal primer for even more longevity. POR-15 is made to put over rusty metal and actually performs best like that. So today we're going to use both in the same way over rusty metal. I've had good luck with all of these products, but we'll put them to the test first with a screwdriver, then a wire paint stripper, and finally a needle scaler. One thing you will notice when using the POR-15 is that it literally soaks into the rusty metal, which to me says it's sticking really well. We'll go at it here with the screwdriver first. And it does seem pretty tough, but I was able to get it off. Let's go over to the Rustoleum. And pretty much the same for the Rustoleum, although it's sort of a little bit softer. This is after 3 days of letting this stuff dry in over 60-degree temperatures. And last, the spray can Rustoleum. And obviously that's the easiest to get off. Here's a close-up shot of the POR-15, the Rustoleum in a can, and Rustoleum spray. Now we'll hit it with the wire paint stripper, and this thing's pretty rugged. Here's a close-up of what it did to the POR-15. The Rustoleum brush on, and the Rustoleum spray. Last, we'll hit it with a needle scaler, which is also pretty aggressive. Here's a close-up of the POR-15 after that, the Rustoleum, and the Rustoleum spray. After the tests, I think both of these would work real well. The spray did come off a little bit easier, but like I said before, the POR-15 does seem to soak into the rust, and it is very difficult to get the black out of the rust. I'm not sure how accurate my tests were, but hopefully it can give you an insight of what'll work best for you. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the difference between POR-15 and Rustoleum. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.